Now, there's a common misconception that if you're trying to lose fat, then you should do loads and loads of cardio. Not necessarily the best thing for it, and the reason for that is twofold. Firstly, if you are doing loads of cardio, pounding on the roads, then you're likely to get injured because of repetitive strain injury, and there's a lot of pounding on joints, especially if you're a little bit heavier and your joints aren't used to it. And the second thing is that your body adapts. And remember I said about waste, not weight in a previous video, then it's as your body adapts and becomes more efficient at that cardio, gets used to doing it, then you'll have less of an effect on your waistline. So what should you do instead? Well, there are 3 things that you can do that are really, really good for fat loss and will allow you to keep hold of muscle mass whilst burning fat. And they are, firstly, some resistance training. I've talked about this before, doing resistance training, whether it's just your own body weight, say just your own body weight, it's really effective, or you're using some dumbbells, barbells, kettlebells, resistance bands, whatever it is you're using, do some resistance training. The second thing is do some metabolic conditioning. Now, what does that mean? It's fancy words, but basically do some sprint work, do some, whether that's on a bike or a rower or even a treadmill, but you're doing short, sharp intervals, and that'll help burn a lot of calories and in a short space of time without putting too much stress on your joints. And the third thing is try and eat as healthily as you can. Eat healthily when you can, okay? So those 3 things, resistance training, metabolic conditioning, interval sprint work, whatever you want to call it, and eating healthily will stand you in really good stead. You've got this.